Nvidia stock made a new high of $746, and in this video we're going to be talking about that and some other Nvidia news that came out this week. So guys, currently the stock is at $738 post market. It closed today at $739, and today is February 14th, so happy Valentine's Day, guys. And the reason I bring that up is because this is today's candle, February 14th, this is the 13th, and this is the 12th. So 2 days ago was when we made that $746 high. And guys, if you're a bull in Nvidia right now, the next bull case that we're going to want to break is this $746 level. After we break $746, Lord knows where the hell we might be going. If we're going to want to break either 750, 755, or if we're going to just want to go and break 760 or 765. Nobody knows, guys. Remember, when we're in no man's land with a stock like this at all-time highs, whoever tells you they know where the stock is going is lying to you. Because when you're in no man's land like this, at an all-time high like this, you have no resistance. You do not have any memory if you just keep going up and up and up. Look, if I just show you the stock on the weekly, you're not going to see anything because this stock is just a bullet up. Cisco 99 type of stock. But this is crazy. So on the weekly, there's no point in looking at it. You're going to have to come down on the daily to try to see where the stock could be going. So that's the bull case. We really want to break that $746, especially that we're so close to it at 738, 739. Now the bear cases, this is where it gets interesting. Honestly, we could come down to a 4-hour and look at the bear cases. So for the bear case, we're going to want to try to break this $730 level. So if we could break 730, I could see Nvidia stock coming down to test down here, the bottom of this wick right here at 716, 717, or actually the bottom of this wick is, let's see what this is. So 730 is going to be the first hard level or the first support that we're going to want to break, because you see it's at 739. So that 730 level is going to be very important. Give up that 730 level, guys. I think we could be coming down to 720 or 720, 719. And then if we give up that and if we don't get another bounce there, I think we could be coming all the way down to 713, which is not that bad. 713 apart from 710, from 720 is not that big of a drop. But then if we give up 713, that last support, I could see it's just tanking all the way to 700. And honestly, guys, Nvidia could do that in a heartbeat. This stock the other day, it fell from, after it was at 746, it gave up $700, guys. So look at this. We started tanking. I don't know if this was the CPI report or what this was, but from 746, we dropped all the way to 694 or like 695. And so I remember we dropped under 700, and then we got a crazy recovery, and now we're going all the way back. And guys, this has all been in the span of the last 2-3 days. So look at this. Just look at the last 3 daily candles. 1, 2, 3. So we were at 746, fell all the way under to the 695. Now we're going all the way back. So we've been playing in a $50 range, which really isn't that crazy for a $700 stock if you think about it. But this was a crazy drop, honestly. And it's hard. Catching Nvidia right there at 700, if you want to load up on shares or load up on puts, short term, not long term, it's crazy because... or not puts, because this stock could have kept either going down the same way it could have kept going up. So the best thing to do is just stay out of this till they report earnings next week on Wednesday, or to just be very cautious with the stock. So yeah, guys, a bull case and the bear case. Bull case, we want to break 746 and then see if we could give a break 750 and then see where we are in no man's land. Bear case is a little bit easier. Remember, the bear case, you want to give up that 730, give up 730, try to come retest 720, 719. Give that up. Definitely going to come and retest 712, 713. Give that up. No, I think no doubt 700s in the books. So that's all I have on Nvidia stock, guys. Now let's look at some Nvidia stock news that came out this week. So Nvidia is actually the third biggest tech company in the world, guys. Look at this. Nvidia is only behind Apple and Microsoft on market cap. We actually passed Alphabet or Google, and we passed Amazon. We came for both of them boys' heads. And honestly, guys, I saw this coming since last year in summer, when this stock got that crazy earnings report. When I saw him at that event last year, Jensen Huang at that event last year, and I saw everything Nvidia is going to be doing, their freaking PE ratio that they're going to be trading at, the earnings growth. Come on, guys. It was only a matter of time before Nvidia was going to be coming up here. And honestly, I honestly think it's going to come for these two boys' heads, honestly. It could be all hype. Now, getting there is one thing. Sustaining yourself there is another thing. Now, is Nvidia's gonna be sustained here for a year, 2 years, 3 years? Damn, we're gonna have to see. So as you guys can see right here, by market cap, assets by market cap, we're the fourth biggest company in the world, the third biggest tech, so the fourth biggest in the world, only behind Microsoft, Apple, Saudi, and then Nvidia comes fifth or fourth, because gold is a commodity, guys. So this is honestly crazy, past Alphabet, past Amazon. And Nvidia actually came out with a chatbot this week. They came out with this, I believe, 2 days ago, or actually yesterday, February 13th. They came out with a chatbot, and when this news came out, I was like, dang, it's honestly something with Nvidia every week. This is crazy. If it's not Jensen at a event talking with some people in Canada or talking with some people in Saudi Arabia, it's them coming out with a new chip. If it's not them coming out with a new chip, it's going to be them coming out with a new chatbot like they did right here. So look, as you can see right here, chat with RTX brings custom chatbots to Nvidia RTX AI PCs. So chatbots have been able to be powered by the big players, the Metas, the Oracles, and they're the big ones that have been using it. But now they came out with a chatbot for people that have big PCs like this one, or if you have a GPU a PC, which is an Nvidia or a PC, not a laptop, not some bad laptop or some low-class laptop. You actually need something that could power this chatbot, because you're not going to be able to run this chatbot without a freaking processor like a GPU, baby. So basically, chatbots are used by millions of people around the world every day, powered by Nvidia GPU-based cloud servers. They're big boys. But now these groundbreaking tools are coming to Windows PC, powered by Nvidia RTX local and fast customs AIs. So basically the PCs that we have at home. And I actually tried to download this, but it was like 5 or 4 hours. And I was like, you know what? I'll download it another time. So I might just put it to download tonight and mess around with this and see how cool it is. And they actually have a video on it. So let's look at that video, guys. It's a minute long. Let's watch this. And really pay attention to these videos, guys. Really listen to every word. Guys, I'm going to have to download that tomorrow and play around with that. Or I'm downloading it tonight. As you can see here, this is what the main screen looks like. Yeah, so it looks pretty dope. And then on other Nvidia news, guys, look, they have this right here, but this one is the one that caught my eyes. So they have digitalization, a game changer for the auto industry. So basically, they're going to be in the auto industry, or they actually are already in the auto industry, but damn, this digitalization is next level stuff, guys. So basically, they're going to be saving these companies a whole bunch of money and time, because they're going to be able to make and just basically have the blueprints of cars and start working and manufacturing on them before they even start working and manufacturing on them, if that makes any sense. So I have another video here for you guys to see it. This is honestly very crazy. Next gen stuff. These people are in autos. These people are in biomedicals. These people are they're in every field, honestly, guys. This is why I think it could be valued as the #1 company in the world via market cap. And that's aside from the financials. The financials are going to be there to back it up, in my opinion. But let's watch this video on this digitalization. Honestly, this is nice. And you really have to listen. Really listen, and because it's very detailed explained.
The automotive industry is a very dynamic and exciting sector. How do OEMs adjust to digital lifestyles? Are they producing products that meet customer expectations? How do you intercept issues before they get worse?
When you take these 30,000 parts that go into a car, it takes approximately 5 years to develop a vehicle end-to-end. Instead of building 50 or 100 cars, we can use digitalization to simulate without having to build prototypes. It saves a lot of time and money in the process.
The productivity results companies are gaining from digitizing physical entity and running simulations and rendering in 3D, whether it's factory automation, whether it's modernizing the design and development of the car, it's huge.
Software is a new component now in the value propositions. Those that are going to survive and thrive are going to have to evolve in the next decade to become much more efficient using the digital physical convergence. The omniverse experience is going to be pretty important for the automotive sector.
OEMs are leveraging NVIDIA Omniverse to develop the layout of the factories. Literally, they're translating all physical processes, and before they lay a single brick, the factory is already optimized. All of those changes that you can make simpler, faster, more efficiently, digitally, before you commit to doing anything physical.
What AI and NVIDIA allows us to do is take big ideas that are imagined in an unconstrained view and distill those down into something that's manageable through simulation.
Simulation is absolutely critical for autonomous driving. Great to see the work that Nvidia has been doing in that domain with not just the hardware, but also the software.
Simulation is crucial for the development of autonomous systems. On one hand, you need the real world, but this is highly costly, so you have to complement it with the ability to simulate a virtual world where everything is possible. And there you can, in a very cost-effective way, iterate quickly and ensure the system operates under all of these conditions.
This gives our customers the power to validate their autonomous ADAS or autonomous systems virtually with high accurate sensors in the camera, LiDAR, and radar domains without having to rely on actual physical drives.
With this, we are now able to really run simulations at a low-cost perspective that allows us to improve that user experience.
Visualization, production of digital twins relies on an efficient, high-performance infrastructure, as well as the platforms that make it easy for customers to adopt the technology.
You allow your worldwide team simultaneously collaborate. Design engineers, vibration engineer with a test engineer. Everybody collaborates simultaneously, and that's the power of Nvidia Omniverse.
What are your thoughts on Nvidia's Omniverse, guys? But yeah, guys, it's not like we're going to be using that, but that's honestly really dope how they have that. And that's game-changing type stuff, guys. Honestly, it says it right here, a game changer from end to end. Honestly, crazy stuff. If that doesn't make you even more bullish on Nvidia, I don't know what will. If it's going to be PE ratios, valuations, which is honestly the most important things. But guys, that was honestly amazing. So guys, that's actually everything I have on Nvidia stock for today. If you guys really did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like. It really does help me out. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Peace.